What if the same algorithms that drive profit could actually end global poverty? We are moving beyond the scarcity mindset to architect a decentralized ethical framework that redefines wealth redistribution. By integrating human-centric values into cold code, we can finally transform systemic inequality into a sustainable engine for social restoration. This is the disruptive vision. The world we inhabit is more connected than ever, yet our economic systems remain fragmented. We operate on models of scarcity in an age where data proves abundance is possible. Every second, billions of data points are generated. This surplus is the hidden wealth of our generation, waiting to be unlocked for the collective good of humanity. By 2026, our data surpluses prove that poverty is a distribution failure, not a resource shortage. We have the fuel, we simply need a new engine to distribute it fairly. Traditional hoarding of data by centralized entities has created artificial barriers. Siloed information doesn't just stagnate individual businesses, it stagnates global economic growth. When we break these silos, we release the potential for massive systemic restoration. We move from a zero-sum game to a model of collaborative amplification. This brings us to AIQ, AI Amplified Intelligence. It is the new metric for measuring a society's potential for automated abundance. It's not just about speed, it's about reach. AIQ allows us to architect systems that see the invisible, the marginalized, the underserved, and the untapped talent. It turns every digital interaction into an opportunity for growth. The architecture of decentralized equity requires a fundamental shift in logic. We are moving away from centralized big tech control toward an ethical data framework. This is a framework where the individual is the primary node, ownership is distributed, and value flows naturally to where it is needed most, guided by the algorithm of altruism. The mechanics are simple yet profound. The algorithm prioritizes human welfare over raw profit margins. It treats equity not as an afterthought, but as the primary output. Every piece of ethical data acts as fuel. By turning digital interactions into micro-contributions, we build an engine that works for everyone, not just the few at the top. Your data is your contribution. In this model, your digital footprint isn't something to be exploited, it's something to be invested in the collective future of our society. This turns every digital action into an act of social good. We are essentially coding altruism into the very fabric of our digital economy, creating a self-sustaining loop of restoration. But algorithms alone are hollow. To be truly effective, we must integrate the human soul into the machine. We do this through the social synergy quotient, SSQ. SSQ ensures our algorithms value community cohesion. It prevents the fragmentation that often comes with automation, instead fostering deeper relational intelligence across digital borders. When algorithms value synergy, they prioritize projects that bring people together. They identify opportunities for collaboration that human planners might miss, building stronger social fabrics. SSQ is the architect of these bridges. It transforms cold, algorithmic logic into a human-centric engine, ensuring that as we move forward technologically, we stay connected socially. Next is EEQ, the ethical empathy quotient. This is how we prevent the cold logic trap. We aren't just coding rules, we are coding compassion into automated financial transfers. By teaching the machine to care, we ensure that automated systems respond to human suffering with the same urgency as they respond to market fluctuations. Empathy becomes a variable in the equation. Consider the case studies of 2026, where AI-driven empathy stabilized volatile local economies. When disaster struck, The algorithms automatically rerouted resources based on need, not just credit scores. This is the practical application of neuroethical discipline. It's about building systems that act as civil witnesses to our shared humanity, providing a safety net that is both intelligent and kind. We are moving from charity to restoration. Charity often maintains the status quo. Restoration repairs the fractures. AI allows us to identify and heal historical economic wounds. This is the stewardship we owe to the future. By using AI to audit our systems for bias and inequality, we can actively redraw the maps of wealth to ensure inclusive growth for all. These algorithms also serve as pedagogical tools. They train the next generation of leaders in systemic thinking, moving beyond short-term gains toward long-term sustainability. True leadership in the AI age is about managing this power matrix. It requires the humane judgment of EEQ, the sustainable vision of SSQ, and the cognitive amplification of AIQ. Individual roles are redefined here. Data-driven transparency holds power to account. When the algorithms are open source and ethical, there is nowhere for corruption to hide. We are architecting for cognitive sovereignty. This means giving individuals back the power over their own data and their own futures, supported by systems that value their worth. Scaling this blueprint is the challenge of our decade. It requires a global implementation of these decentralized frameworks across vastly different political landscapes. But the benefits are undeniable: a drastic reduction in resource-based conflicts, the stabilization of global markets, and the creation of a truly inclusive global economy. We are moving toward a future where technological advancement is synonymous with social health. We aren't just building faster machines, we are building a better society. This is the legacy of the algorithm of altruism. It is a commitment to ensuring that every leap in AI is a leap forward for the human condition, anchored in equity and compassion. The roadmap is clear. We audit, we decentralize, and we integrate. We take the cold logic of the algorithm and we infuse it with the heat of human empathy. This is a rigorous pedagogical tool for sustainable growth. It trains us to think as stewards of the future rather than consumers of the present. We are the architects. I invite you to participate in this evolution. This is an open source movement. It requires your data, your ethics, and your vision to ensure it remains human-centric. By joining the Sync Lab, you become a part of the architecture. You help us refine the algorithms of empathy and scale the frameworks of equity across the globe. We are standing at the dawn of a new era. The choice is ours. Do we use our technology to further fragment our world, or do we use it to finally heal the fractures? The algorithm of altruism is more than a tool, it is a promise that technological advancement will serve as a tool for systemic social restoration. My name is Elena Karuba and I'm an architect of resilient minds. Let us dismantle the scarcity mindset and architect the future together. Let us sync.